Welcome back, and now with the news in detail. In Europe, the number of deaths from the new coronavirus has now crossed 100,000. Meanwhile, in the US, nearly 1,900 have died overnight as hundreds of Americans staged protests against the lockdowns in several cities. Globally, infection cases have exceeded 2.3 million, with nearly 161,000 fatalities. More in this report.
Europe now accounts for nearly two-thirds of the coronavirus fatalities worldwide. Experts says the number of confirmed infections is likely to be a fraction of actual cases, as many countries are testing only the most critical people. Italy and Spain remain the hardest hit in Europe, with the most number of deaths in the region. Germany has reported 184 new deaths in the past 24 hours, while in Turkey, the number of confirmed cases has overtaken neighboring Iran for the first time. In Britain, the rapid swell of the outbreak has overwhelm the national health services.
We've got to do more to get the PPE that people need to the front line. This is an extremely challenging situation. As you say, there's massive global demand for the equipment. This is a global pandemic, but we are trying to do everything we can to get the equipment that we need.
In the US and Brazil, hundreds of people have taken to the streets calling for authorities to resign over lockdown measures. But New York Governor Andrew Cuomo says data will dictate the strategy, not whims and wishes.
I think the president leaving it to the states was not just right and legal and constitutional. I think he's right that it's different in different places. Look, when we look at this state and we talk about reopening, we're going to talk about different strategies in different parts of the state because the numbers dictate the strategy, and you have different numbers in different parts of the state.
Meanwhile, in South Korea, the number of infection cases has fallen for the first time to a single digit since the outbreak peaked in